All right, good evening, ladies.
Hello, Michael.
Y'all have been coming to Beyond Aquatics for a while, so tell me what are some things you guys enjoy about it and how it's influenced your life to make healthier decisions.
Well, I mean, one of the things I like the best is the community setting. You know, we're like a family here, and everybody supports each other, and just hearing all the different stories and the different miracles that have happened from people learning how to walk again, to weight loss, to recovery after surgery. There's just tons of them.
And you? What? You are a walking testament to Beyond Aquatics yourself. And for myself, coming since the very beginning of 2017, I've been coming. And initially, just love the atmosphere all the time when I come in, every single time. But it really helps me out when the most with pain, because exercising on land just doesn't work well for me. But exercising in the water, I gain more benefits than land, and I don't suffer from the pain that I do when I'm on land. So there was actually, I've come several times, and one time I came with a cane. I could barely walk. I thought that the treadmill was broken. That's how bad my hips were. And just coming regularly, and you see me now, and just up and running. But I know where to go when my body needs attention. And that's Beyond Aquatics. I'm very grateful. And again, I think what motivates you to love it even more is, like Candace said, the stories that you hear. You think of just your own and your own journey, and then you begin to meet people, and everyone's very friendly. And just hear miracle after miracle is how I see it.
Absolutely. I mean, down to like, there was a lady that had only been coming for a week, and she came with a walker. And she was so excited to show me that she was walking around without her walker one day when I came in.
Yeah,
And there's just numerous stories like that. I mean, stress relief, people are seeing improvement in all areas of their health, and it's very inspiring to see.
It affects the entire body in the most positive way.
Well, cool. I'm sure you guys are gonna make lots of changes for people too, just by hearing this and
I hope so.
sharing your
It's so
stories
worth
and
it.
what you guys see. It's probably gonna get some other people in
100%.
here with some things you guys mentioned.
Yeah. Well, we're looking forward to meeting them.
Okay. Thank y'all.
Yeah.